Yeah. Come on. Woo.
Hey dude!
What the f?
Are you sick and tired of using all of your USB ports on your PS5 console?
Yeah.
Don't you wish there was a few more?
Yeah.
And are you running out of connectivity options? Well, wouldn't it be great to know that we just may have the right gadget for your needs?
Who's that?
Hey, I've got a delivery for you.
What's this? Okay.
Hey, check this out.
So yeah, today we have the KJH PS5 USB 3.0 splitter hub conversion. We did get this for around about £8 delivered at the time of this upload. That's around 11 in US dollars, and it is indeed compatible with both digital and CD-ROM versions of the PS5 console. So here how it basically works. The USB hub has a USB Type-C and a basic USB to the rear. Those adapters to the rear of the conversion hub simply connects directly to the front face of your PS5 console, inserting it direct into the USB and USB Type-C port. You will know when it's fully attached when that front LED light is illuminated. Yeah, very simple to connect. And now, instead of having just only a few connections to the front of the PlayStation, we have 4 high-speed USB 3.0 ports, 1 basic USB port with an output current of 900 milliamps. And yes, we do indeed have that Type-C 3.1 port placed to the right side. I mean, okay, this little gadget does somewhat ruin the aesthetics to the PS5's look, and it is obviously quite bulky. But for help supporting multiple devices, it is quite ideal. It's suitable for high-speed data transfer transmissions, it has a stable operation with multi-system compatibility. Very simple looking, which in addition you can also get this USB conversion hub in a matte white version too. So yeah, a handy cheap enough PS5 gadget, which if you do want to seal some of those USB ports up to protect against dust, you can also invest in some of these handy little silicone USB port seals, which we previously advertised on our channel. So yes, they do cost less than £2 for a PS5 full set. Indeed, this was a very quick overview of this KJH PS5 USB 3.0 splitter conversion hub. With this now attached to our PS5, we're able to use a USB gaming headset, USB microphone, charge our mobile phone at the same time should we wish, with plenty of connections left free. But yes, I will definitely leave a handy buy it now link in the video description down below to this USB conversion hub. Go and check it out on the Banggood website, and if you like what you see, well, why not go get yours? While you're in that video description, guys, it means so much to like this video today. I'd very much appreciate it if you please subscribe to this channel also, keeping in mind to hit that bell notification option so you guys will stay updated on all our new uploads. As usual, please all stay safe, and thank you ever so much for watching.
Peace.